Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. What's up? Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk about singing, setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. They're catching the groove, that's right. Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams. On these West Coast streets, nothing's what it seems. Hey, hey, let me see your hands up high. Hands up. We vibing now till the moon hits the sky. Ooh, yeah. Talk box wailing like a voice from the stars. This coast culture lives in our hearts, no scars. Cruising, feel that funky breeze. Talk about singing, setting spirits at ease. From hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. What's good? Laughter echoes loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. What's good? Laughter echoes loud through the laid-back beat. Golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Oh yeah! Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on! From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. Come on! From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. Every blessing. Yeah. City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, the steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead. Where hope's just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungles, sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Clock ticking Raging symphony, dangers, baseline, rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay.